This is my Galaxy Buds Pro. Almost or more than 2 years since when I was bought this, and a proven waterproof or washing machine pro, because yesterday I forgot this in my coverall uniform, and then I wash my uniform. Then after that, I thought that when I open up the pocket of my uniform, yeah, this Galaxy Buds Pro is inside. But when I test, wow, still intact, still very good. The sounds, no changes. So thank you Galaxy Buds Pro. Thank you Samsung for your very good product. Still continue using Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro with my S22 Ultra. Thank you very much Samsung. Bye.